Okay, sorry about that. So you're all good?
Yes.
Okay, so you reckon you can go ahead and sort this out? Have you got enough to do that or not?
Yes, I have enough access now, so I can work.
Okay, right. I'll leave you to it. I've been battling with Google, so I tried to set up a business profile this morning. I don't know if you need to delete that or what.
Oh, business profile you're trying to create, but not work.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it hasn't been accepted. I'm not too sure if that's gonna make issues or we need it or just get rid of it. I don't know.
Okay. Let me fix the GMC first, then I will do the Google business profile also. No problem.
I don't really need the business profile. It's only if that's going to make it work for the merchant center. But if it's better if it's not even there, just get rid of it.
Okay. Um, did you see the packages of my services?
Yeah. So how much is it going to cost?
Um, you have only 7 products. So for this, I will search $50. Uh, is it sound good for you?
Yep.
$50?
Okay. As long as you can do it. As long as if you can't make it work, then you have to refund me the money. That's okay.
Okay. Okay. If not work, I will fully refund you.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Cool.
Thank you for joining.